Let's see how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. So it's pretty simple. There are two options for a drop-down menu. First one is going to go here first, Manage Pages. And here in the Site Pages menu, we can see all of the pages here. To create a drop-down menu, just go and drag this portfolio right here. For example, this one. I'm gonna drag this, and to the side of the home, it's gonna go like that. Or we can do it here with these three dots and make this a subpage. And now, when we preview this, it's gonna be like this. Some portfolios and projects, but you can click the home and then we can click other drop downs here, which is it's kind of off. So let's go back and try the other one, which is the correct way to have a drop down menu. So again, let's manage the page. Let's go to Site menu and just gonna do this again, put it back to the main page. And now we're gonna click this Add Menu item right here and click this drop down. So this drop down, let's say it's more, and done. And then you can drag items into the drop down, for example, the same, and drag it right here, and this one too. So when it's done, we can go click preview. And there, here, when we place our cursor right here, we can see the projects and portfolios are present in here, the subpages of this drop-down menu. Then we can't click this too, but there's a drop-down right here. There's a portfolio and the projects, whatever you want to put it there. And that's it. So easy, right? That's how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. See you soon!